Didn't know, but there's actually Ret Ayala pala here. And this is like a permanent, right? Not just a pop-up. This is a permanent.
Yes, ang permanent.
Yeah. Since when pa tong Ret Ayala here? Ah, okay. So, ayan. I don't want to see you to see me in the mirror. So, we have Ret Ayala here. Woo! So many designs to choose from. But this is like the one which caught my eye because I like blue and diba? It reminds you of, you know, something magical and the same time peaceful. So very unique talaga pag red. Sorry, bias ko talaga si red. So nakita ko talaga pagdaan namin si CR lang yung friend ko sinamahan ko. I'm like, wow, my god. Ret Ayala. So especially accessories, my god. Yung wallet ko parang gusto nang lumabas sa bag ko. Yeah. What's your, parang tuwing kailan kayo may like new collections here? This one is very intricate to. Tuwing kailan po kayo may bagong new arrivals, ganun?
Almost weekly naman.
Weekly. Oh, so pareho sila. So alam nyo na, if you're gonna drop by Hanakong, kung nakita nyo yung video ko, you should also drop by Ret Ayala. Ayan. Sana wag muna dumating yung friend ko para magtanong kayo. My God, mapapabili ako na ito. Ang ganda. Yeah, maganda din syempre yung kay Hana. But, of course, diba? Magkaiba sila ng style. So, depende sa mood nyo. Diba? Will you go Hanakong or Ret Ayala?